Invoice payment preparations. View supplier line items. All accounts payable line items are listed and you can modify some fields of a document to be paid. Log on to the SAP FI-AP Launchpad as an accounts payable accountant. So then click on search option, open manage supplier line items. Supplier, I just want to give 183,000,001 and company code 1881810 and select open items, cleared items, all items. I want to select open items and open on key date. So this is the trigger point. So whatever the items open on this key date, system will show you. And here item types are normal items. There are special GL transactions, noted items, parked items, customer items. These are all the different items. So we'll discuss all these points later. So I'm selecting normal items. So just if you want to add some other fields in the search option, so just click on the filters. So these are all the different filters, right? You can select the accounting clerk. Based on the accounting clerk, you can see the list of invoices. The accounting clerk would be assigned in the supplier master data. So I'm not adding any fields. So now click on go button. So this is the gear button. So this is settings buttons, right? If you want to add some more columns in the report, this is the report, right? Just click on this. So this is the report. So if you want to add some more columns to this report, just click on this. And so totally 209 fields there, right? We added in the report only 11 fields. So if you want to add some more fields, you can add them. For example, I want to add accounting clerk. So, okay, enter. So you can see accounting clerk. So this is the accounting clerk field. So this is the column, right? You can see that accounting clerk. So these are all the informations. If you want to modify, we can modify. Select a journal entry. Okay, select a journal entry and choose manage journal entries new version recommended. So click on edit. So the document header text, we can give a new value. You can modify the existing value and come down so that we can see the invoice reference, document reference ID is this. So if you want to modify the line items, you can modify. So these are all the line items in the document. I just want to add some more information in the accounts payable document. Just click on the extend the details information. So here, just again click on edit. So item text also we can modify, and we can change existing item type, and some more information, right? I can give the payment method. So payment method means this against this invoice, right? Right, which payment method you want to use. So many payment methods would be there. One is a check method is there. Okay, so these are all the check is there, direct debit, foreign bank transfer, bank transfer. These are all the different payment terms, payment methods. So we can choose one payment method in the invoice level while running automatic payment program. So this payment method will be defaulted. So if you want to stop the payment, you can select the payment block. So blocked for payment. So this information is useful. And house bank, right? Against this invoice, right now against which bank account you want to make the payment. So these are all the informations you can add into the change. So okay, so once right now you entered the data, just click on the save. Data changes have been saved. Your changes have been saved. Manage payment blocks. This activity reviews and releases blocked invoices as part of the logistics invoice verification process. You can block on the supplier level or open item level. When an invoice is blocked, a financial accounting cannot pay the invoice. Invoices can be blocked either automatically or manually, depending on the payment block reason and release in the configuration. Log on to the SAP Fiori Launchpad as an accounts payable accountant. So just search app, manage payment blocks. So choose manage payment blocks app. Make the following entries and choose go. So here I just want to give 1830001 is the supplier and give company code. Give company code 1810. For one of the supplier, choose details. So here these are all the account blocked, unblocked. So these are all the search things right now. I'm just giving supplier and 1810 is the company code. Just click on that. Go. So is the only one supplier is there. For example, if you want to give more suppliers, just deselect this supplier and I'm just giving the company code 1810, just go button. So many suppliers that these are all the unblocked suppliers. So here you can see the status. So I'm selecting this is the supplier. So this supplier due amount, total amount is 20,177. So if you want to block the supplier, just block supplier. So what do you want to do? This block. So payment block reason we should give blocked for payment, manual payment block, post process, incoming payment. So payment request. These are all the different block. So I want to stop. The reasons. I want to stop the payment. So I'm selecting the block for payment. So just to give the explanation, pending deliveries. So the status of the account is account blocked. So nobody, right? An accounts team cannot make the payment for the supplier. So if you want to unblock supplier, so unblock supplier in the open items area, select open items checkbox and choose block items. So just close this. So details. If you want to unblock the supplier, here open items there. So both the open items are blocked, unblocked. So I just want to block only this amount. So just click on this. So we block item. Payment. We want to stop payment for this item. Item blocked. So here what happens, right? We blocked, right? If you want to block individual item, you can block it. Otherwise, you can block entire account. So we just give the reason for blocking. In the open items area, select open items checkbox and choose unblock items. So go back again. See item blocked, right? No, this item is blocked. So just select this item again, and if you want to unblock item. So here account is blocked. So item is not blocked. So here whenever you remove that block, so unblock supplier, just go to the open items tab. I want to block only one item. So this is, I want to stop the payment for this. I just give the reason. So item is blocked. So this means, so there are the two items, right? Item blocked and unblocked. So this, right, we can make the payment, but this we cannot make the payment. So You can also choose the details button at the end of the row and then choose the unblock items button in the new right pane. So these are the right. If you want to unblock them, just click on this here, unblock item. View supplier balance. Log on to the SAP Fiori Launchpad as an accounts payable accountant. Open display supplier balances. Display supplier balances. Supplier 183,000,001. Year, current year, 2024. Choose any of the following tabs to see different views of the supplier balance. Balances, special GL, compare. So just click on the go option. Collapse header. You can see this is the period, right? This is the period. Opening balances, balance of the year. So cumulative balance and 0, 1, period 1, period 2, period 3, like that. This is the debit amount. This is the credit amount. This is the balance amount. So this is the total credit. This is the total, the credits purchases, and these are all the debits. And this is what? The balance amount. Total balance, accumulation of all the periods. This is the total balance amount. So like this, right, we can see this report. Debit credit balance column.